90 degrees. The other two are equal, so it will be 40
45.
and 45, right? Because
Yeah.
45 plus 45 plus 90 will be 180. Last one is called these kind of triangles. Yeah, this one is B, this one is A, this one is C. This triangle is,
The triangle
you just say
is
here,
it hold up. It's like an equilateral, right?
and right triangle, yes. So equilaterals, right triangles, right? And
Sorry.
so the angle inside equilateral right triangle, uh, angle B equal to,
Angle B
yes,
is equal. Hold up. A B. Angle B is
it's a right angle, right? From the figure, right
yeah.
angle. So right
It's a right angle. Is it 90 degrees?
90 degree, yes. Triangle.
And is B 60?
B is already 90. So A is,
Oh wait, no, is A 90?
wait, from this figure, you see this figure? So B is a right angle, it's 90 degree. How about A?
Is it 60?
60 degree. The last one, angle C,
Is it 30?
30 degree, yes. 30 degree. And, okay. And in a triangle ABC, what is the area of a triangle? How do we find the area of a
A plus B plus C.
area, not perimeter? Area.
Area
Mm-hmm. Area.
area of oh area of a triangle is like base times height divided by 2.
Yes. Base time height divided by 2. Base time height divided by 2. Perimeter is, you just said earlier. So perimeter of a triangle.
Oh, perimeter.
Yeah.
A plus B plus C.
A plus B plus C. Okay. A plus B plus C. This kind of properties are very useful so that we can find the perimeter, area, and so on. Okay, so next part is about the quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral. Let me get quadrilaterals. So, what shape of quadrilateral you have known? Have you ever known? We know that quadrilateral is a closed shape with four sides, right? So what kind of quadrilateral have you already known before?
Rectangle, rhombus, square, stuff like that. I mean, you want me to like keep going or
Okay. Is but
keep going?
your answer is okay. So first one is what?
Rhombus.
Rhombus.
A rhombus.
Yeah, rhombus. Okay, and then what?
Like square.
Square. Yes, square. Okay, we will focus on square. So square.
Yeah. Like a rectangle.
A rectangle. Okay, rectangle.
Like it's like a trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Yes.
And does the kite count?
Kite. Yes. Mhm.
And I don't know.
One more we will focus on is
Pair.
yeah, 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 yes. Parallelogram, yes, parallelograms. Right. How? What is the property of parallelogram? So basically, how to draw a parallelogram?
two pair two pairs of parallel sides or
Pass.
parallel,
Okay.
and they're closed and they're a quadrilateral.
Yes. So the opposite side are parallel, right? So this side, the opposite side. So this is parallel to this. This opposite side to this are parallel. So this is parallelograms. Correct? This shape is parallelograms. How about kite?
A kite,
Yes.
it's like a kite, like an rhombus, but like longer.
Yeah. So a kite, the diagonal are perpendicular, right? Their
Perpen-
diagonal are perpendicular. Do you know the word perpendiculars?
Sorry, what?
Do you know the word perpendiculars?
Yeah.
Okay, so perpendicular is they intersects at the right angle.
One point. Okay.
Yeah, they intersects at the right angle. So this is their diagonals. They intersect perpendicular. How about trapezoids?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoids.
It's like not parallel. Like I don't know how to tell you this. Like I don't know how to describe it.
So
It's like no. It's like one pair of parallel lines, and like
mhm,
it's like one side is longer and one side is shorter.
okay, so that is correct. So one pair of opposite side are parallel. The other one pair. The other one. So parallelogram, two pair are parallel, but for trapezoid only one pair. So the other, okay, whatever it happened, it's okay. So this is
Huh?
yeah. This shape is a trapezoid. How about rectangle? Rectangles. Rectangle. How do I write this?
A rectangle. It's like a square but longer.
So,
Two
rect-
pairs of
mhm.
sides.
Rectangle is
Like
all the angle at a right angle. So this is right angle.
yeah,
This is right angle. This is right angle. So okay, this is called rectangle. How about the square?
a rectangle but like shorter, like less longer. You know, because like
Yes.
every rectangle is a square, but not every square is a rectangle.
Yeah. What described is almost correct.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like a rectangle, but all sides are equal, right? All sides are
Yeah.
equal, then it is the square. What is the area of a square? How do we calculate the area of a square?
Isn't it like length times width?
Mm,
Wait, no. It's like the length. It's like times like 3 or times like. Hey, wait, hold up. Let me take a few seconds.
yes. Let's gather your thought first.
It's like they're all the same. I remember it's been a long time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's like they're all the same.
Yes.
So like it's like this one of the sides like side squared, side two, side to the power of two, side like multiplied.
Okay, let's put like this. So all the sides are equal, right? So let denote the side is A. This is also A. This is also A. This is also A. You have said earlier, area equal to length and the width. So what is the length of this square and the width of this square?
They're the same.
Yes. So what's multiplied with what? What type?
It's like side squared or whatever.
Yes, side square, which is a times a, right? So a times a, which is a square. So the area of a square is I square or a square. How about the area of rectangles?
Area of a rectangle.
Yes, area of rectangle.
Length times width. No, length plus width multiplied by two. Oh, area.
Okay. Yes, yes. Area
Yeah, length.
length
Length.
times
Yeah.
length times the width. So for example, we put this as a width length. This is the width. So width times length. This is the area. How about the trapezoids?
Trapezoid.
Yes.
Mm, is
Let's say, let's denote this is A, this is B.
is it? I don't know. I don't. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the area of trapezoid is A plus B times H divided by 2. A plus B times H. H is a height.
Height.
Yes, okay. H is the height. So A plus B times H divided by 2. How about the kite?
The tie. The kite.
Yeah, kite. Area equal to.
I learned this a long time ago,
Yes,
and I know it, but I don't.
but now you forgot it. Okay,
Yeah.
so the area of the kite is diagonal 1. This is this is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So the two diagonal multiplies. This one times this long one. So multiply the diagonal with diagonal, the area of the kite. How about the area of a parallelograms?
Hello.
Parallel,
Are all the sides like equal? No, they're not.
they're not. What parallelogram equals like no? So
Parallel.
imagine if we cut this into two parts, if we draw a diagonal of a parallelogram, what do we see? What do we
I see. Like, what do you mean?
When we draw a diagonal through the parallelograms, what do we see?
Like half of it?
Half of
Oh,
half of okay, so half of the parallelogram shape look like
two triangles.
two triangle. Yes, two triangles. So it should be like this and this. So it's two triangle. What is the area of triangles?
Triangle area?
Yeah, area
Isn't that
of triangle.
a triangle? Isn't that like equilateral?
Okay, this okay, just
Wait. Isn't it's like A is it's like A plus B plus C?
that is
No?
that's parameters, but the
Oh
area
my god.
here just a review.
Oh no, no. It's base times height divided by two.
Yeah, base time high divided by 2. But parallelogram, two equal triangle, right?
What?
Parallelogram is two equal triangle, right? Here and here.
Yeah.
So what do you think
It's equal.
is the area of parallelograms? What do you think about the area of parallelogram? We know that the area of triangle is base time height.
Wait, so is it just the same thing?
It okay. Now we can know that parallelogram is two equal triangle, right?
Right.
Yeah, the shape it's look like two. two equal triangles, and the area of triangle is base times height divided by 2.
Okay.
Well, what is the area of parallelogram?
It's I'm gonna assume it's base times height
Yes, base time
times times two, or is it just base times height?
base time height only, because
Okay.
area of parallelogram, since the parallelogram is two equal triangle, so that should be two times area of a triangle. But we know that area of a triangle is base time height divided by 2. So we can just
Yeah.
simplify the 2 and we only have base time the height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 shape. Now the perimeter. Oh,
Wait, and then
okay, I see it. By the way, where is the base? High. For example,
the base.
yeah, of a parameters here. So we know the area is base time high. So where is the base? Where is the high?
The base is like. Let me. I've studied this before. Ah, okay. Height of a parallelogram.
Yes.
It like goes from the corner to the end for me. It says.
So it's go from the corner. Okay. What is this corner called? I think that is the other term.
Which corner are you talking about?
This corner, this corner, this corner, this corners. What is all of these called?
A
It's there's another term. We call it.
point. Wait, no,
Yeah, but point is a correct term, but not the justified one.
not the one you're satisfied with.
Yes, that is called vertex.
Vertex.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's called
So
vertex.
vertex.
Yes. So the
So
height.
from
Mhm.
so from the vertex to the length or whatever.
From the vertex perpendicular to the opposite side. Perpendicular to the opposite side. This is height.
Height.
Okay. This is
And
height.
base.
Base.
Base is like
Mhm.
base is like length, kind of. Yeah.
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 The base is the side facing the text. So if we use this high, the base is here. If we use this base, where is the height? From this vertex to here. Okay, if we use this base, the height is here. If we use this base, the height is here.
What?
So
You have to.
we have several base and several height, but it have to be in pair. So in parallelogram here, if we use the base here, the height is from this vertex to this base. Okay? Or
Okay.
if we use this base, the red base, here the red base, the height is from this vertex to this base. Okay, so we can either use the red or the green one.
I like the green one.
Okay, okay, let me go toilet quickly and come back. Okay. I think this
Can you go to the other sides for a second?
mhm,
Just like the previous two sides.
the triangle, right? This one.
Alright. And then the other one?
The other one is here.
Alright. All good.
Okay. Good. Okay,
Yeah.
so shape of geometry. This is quadrilateral. Okay, this is our area. How about the parameters? What is? How do we find the parameter of a square? The parameter of a square. Parameter
The
of a square and
isn't it just like side plus side?
yes. So all side adding
Uh
together, right?
yeah.
So what side? But we know that all sides of a square are equal. So that should be like a plus a plus perimeter is here plus here plus here plus here. So a plus a plus a plus a, which is equal to
A plus like A.
a plus a plus a plus a.
Isn't it just like A four times? Like A to the power of four? Wait, no. Isn't it just like A times four?
A four. Or we can call it for a, right?
Yeah.
For a.
Sorry, I got my words mixed up.
How about to calculate the perimeter of the rectangles?
Length plus width times two.
Yeah, length plus width times 2. Length plus width times 2. Okay. How do we calculate the area of the perimeter of trapezoids?
Mm. Oh, that's gonna take a bit. Hold up.
Okay. The perimeter is the distance of the whole loop. So the distance of the whole loop.
So the perimeter.
Yes, perimeters.
I'm on area, but um,
The distance of the whole shape is
I don't. I don't. Yeah.
okay. So is the distance of the whole shape. So this base, small base A plus this, let's denote it as L1 plus B here, the other base and the L2. So basically adding all of them together. So P is small base plus large base and L1 plus L2.
L1 plus L2.
Yes, L1 is this length and L2 is this length. So small base plus the large base, L1 plus L2.
Oh,
How about the kite? Perimeter of a kite.
I. Yeah.
Okay, so what is the property of the kite? So here, if this side and this side are
The same.
the same, so this one is equal to this one. Let's say this is A, this is A. The adjacent side are equal. How about these adjacent sides? Also
They're the same.
the same. But will this equal to this?
Is what?
Is this equal to this?
No.
No. So let's denote as another B. So this is B. So what is the perimeter of the kite?
The perimeter of a kite.
Yes, we add all of them, right? So let's add all.
Wait, can I ask a question though?
Yes.
What's the D?
D is diagonal. Okay, D is diagonal here. Okay, let me draw somewhere bigger. Okay, so we know that a kite have a shape like this, right?
Yeah.
And they are diagonal. So the property of kite is their diagonal are perpendicular.
They're diagonal and perpendicular.
Yeah, perpendicular. And D1 is these small diagonals here. This is D1. And the whole big one is called D2, diagonal 2. Diagonal 1, diagonal 2. So in order to find the area is D1 times D2. Right?
Okay.
Okay. And also inside a kite, we know that the adjacent side are equal. So this side equal to this side. Right? This side equal to this side. If this side is A, this side also A. Right?
Yeah.
Mm. And if this side is B, this side also B, because we know that adjacent side is equals. Then when we find the perimeter, in order to find the perimeter, we know that we need to add all the distance over the shape. So A here plus A here plus B plus B. A plus B plus B, which is
Which is B plus B equals area, right?
perimeter. That is perimeter. Perimeter,
I mean, no, perimeter. Sorry.
yeah, yeah. But A plus B plus B, should we write like this?
No, it's too confusing.
Yeah, it's too confusing. So what is the proper way to write it?
A squared plus B squared.
A plus A is,
A no, A times two.
yes.
A times two plus B times two.
Yeah, so 2A plus 2B. Or even make it more convenient to look, A plus B times 2. Right? A plus B times 2. The perimeter of a kite is A plus B times 2. That's the area. Okay. How about parallelograms? Okay, parallelograms. I think I should write here. Dot here. Parallelograms. Okay. The shape of parallelogram will be two pair of the opposite side are parallel. So this is parallel, this is parallel. So let's say this is A, B, C, D. To find the area is base times the height. Right? So for example, we use the height drawing from vertex A. If we use this height, base will be DC. Base is here. If we use the vertex A to BC, so for example, we use this height, the base will be BC. Okay, this we already know. How do we find the parameters?
We find the hold
Parameters,
on.
yes.
Let me look.
Parameters.
We've A.
Let's delete the height first.
The this is a parallelogram, right?
Yeah, parallelograms. We know that.
Might be wrong. Hold up, I might be wrong.
Mhm.
But is the perimeter of it? I don't know if this is perimeter of the trapezoid or the parallelogram.
Wait, wait, wait.
Wait, have we learned about it yet? Did we just like go over it now?
We haven't. So here, we already know about the trapezoids. Here, trapezoid, we have the area here, the perimeter here, but the parallelogram, we only have the area, but not yet the parameters. Now we want to know about the parameters.
I don't know the perimeter of a parallelogram.
Hmm,
I'm being honest.
Okay,
I'm being
so,
honest.
so parallelogram. Do you think DC? What is DC and AB relationships?
They're parallel and they're equal.
Yeah, they're parallel and equal. So if this B, AB also,
Was that base?
if DC is B, AB also B, right? Okay. And if AD, let's denote AD as A, BC also
Is that A?
A, right?
But what does A mean?
A is just a length
Oh,
from AD. A is a length from A.
so B is base, right?
B is base. Normally we denote it as base. Okay. So perimeter is the distance over the shape. So we add
We add A plus B
A
plus
plus
B plus C, right?
wait. So we the distance over the shape is from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, right?
Yeah.
So that distance will be A,
E,
B plus A plus B, right?
yeah. A plus B plus A plus B.
Okay. So A plus B plus A plus B.
But it would be like A times 2 plus B times 2.
Yeah, A times
Hey, have
plus B.
did we learn about? I swear that there's like an exact same thing we just went over.
Yes. Okay. So A plus B times 2. Okay. So perimeter of a parallelogram is
A plus B. Oh no, A times 2 plus B times 2. Right?
A times 2 plus B times 2. Yes. But it's not like properly written, right?
Yeah.
So it's written as A plus B times 2. Yeah, A plus B times 2. Easier to look at. A plus B times 2.
And easier to say.
Yes, easier to say as well. So perimeter of parallelogram is A plus B times 2. Okay. Okay. So for perimeter of a kite, perimeter of parallelogram is okay. This also A plus B times 2, the same. To find the perimeter of a kite, parallelogram is A plus B times 2, but the area will be calculated differently. Here, let's sum up. The area of a square is A squared.
A squared and a square is an area of a square is like A times 4 or 4A.
The perimeter, yeah. Perimeter of a square is A
A
sine 4 or 4A.
for area of rectangle is width times length.
Yes, area of
Perimeter width plus length times 2.
correct.
Trapezoid is area plus base, right?
No, no, no. A is not
No area.
A is
Huh?
a small base here. B
So
is
so it's like
the base. Okay, so
so it's like
the-
A plus B times H,
okay,
which is height.
I think we should draw the trapezoid individually. here. Easier. Okay, so the trapezoid is one pair of opposite side are parallels. The other we don't care. So this is a trapezoid. This is the bigger base, right? We have bigger base and the smaller base. So we denote it as B and A, right? So to
B and A.
find yeah, B, A and B, B and A. So to find the area is the smaller base plus the bigger base, smaller base plus the bigger base times the height divided by 2.
So it's just like base but smaller.
Yeah, A is also a base, but the smaller base, like the upper base. Smaller base, the bigger base. Sometimes you may see like this also, the trapezoid, right?
Oh, it's just split.
Just flip, yes. So A here, B here. Or you can like switching them. The bigger base can be A, the smaller base can be B. It's up to you. Just you, the one who noted it.
Okay.
Okay. And the okay, this is, and the high is from this to here, or from this vertex to here. It will be the same. So this high or this high will be the same, right?
Yeah.
Can you see it? Can you see this? Okay, and the parameter of the trapezoid is
Of the trapezoid, the perimeter,
parameter.
it's A plus B plus what?
Okay,
Okay, so
my written is unreadable. Okay, A plus B plus L1.
L
Mhm.
L1 plus L2.
L1 plus L2. Okay. L,
Then what? I see L1, but what L2?
yeah, this is
What's
L1.
L2?
This is L2. Okay. Where L1 is this length, the length from here to here, and L2 is the length from here to here. This is L2. Okay. Okay. And the height is D1 plus D2, where D1 is
D1 is the diagonal.
diagonal, smaller diagonal, and the D2 is the bigger diagonal.
Yeah.
Parameter is here, A plus B times 2.
A plus B times 2, and then B plus B multiplied by A, and A plus B times 2. Right,
Wait, B,
guys?
no, A plus B times 2, not A times B. Did you say B times A?
Yeah. Yeah, I said A plus B times 2.
Okay, that is it. So, okay, last one is parallelograms. Parallelogram is area equal to
Base times height.
base times height.
Or is that
Parameter is
area plus Oh, not area. A plus B times 2.
A plus B times 2. Okay. Uh, last one, the
Huh?
property of the, okay, last one.
A plus B times H divided by 2.
Okay. So, next, quadrilateral. We know that inside a triangle, if we add all the angle, it will be,
It will,
if we add
if we add all
for the
8,
triangle, yeah, for the triangle, if we add all,
180.
yeah, 180. How about quadrilateral? If we add all the angles, for example, this is A, B, C. If we add A plus B plus C plus D equal to
What's the answer?
360 degrees.
360
Yes,
degrees.
it's 360 degrees. Why? Because when we draw a diagonal, there will be
Base and height, or
there will be two
a diagonal.
triangle, right? Two triangle.
Okay, yeah.
When we add this, obviously it's 180. So these obviously also 180. So when we sum all together, it will be a plus b plus c plus d. That is 180 plus 180, which is 360 degrees. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
So that is, but this work for all quadrilateral, not just trapezoids, or square, a rectangle, even a regular ones. A regular one, something like this. Yeah, just no specific name. This also 360. This also 360. The sum of all the angle inside a quadrilateral is 360 always.